this video, I'm going to put together the Eastwood paint and powder coating stand, and I'm going to be able to do some powder coating here in the future. So let's get to it. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces and some instructions, which we'll throw aside. Now you'll notice there are different dimensions in these holes here. These small ones go attached to this attachment piece that goes up to the top. So we put the bottom one in there like that. I've made sure I put the washer on the head of the bolt because the nuts have the washer attached to them already. And this particular piece, you see, you've got the angle, so that's going to go right in there like that. The bolt with the plastic end on the one end and the wing nut on the other. Is used to secure the wing nut. Tighten that right up. Using a 1/2 inch as well as a 9/16. The nut is a 1/2 inch. The bolt is 9/16. That's strange. It is what it is. Yep, 9/16, 1/2 inch, whatever. There. Have it turned so that when this angle iron is straight, when you've got the mounted properly, then it'll look right to begin with. Anyway, there we go. A 13:30 seconds. That's kind of weird. Oh. First time in my life I remember using a 13:30 seconds. That's first time for everything. Now this mounts on that. Okay. Mounted like this if you want to hang something out over the end, or you can just use this little attachment here And that will then hold a shelf in place, or a rack, which is what I'm going to start with to begin with. Because I'm going to use a rack that I put on my modified Cuisinart powder coating oven. So we'll do that in the next video, but just to show you how it works to begin with. We'll take out that shelf or that rack, put it on there like that, tighten that up. And make sure that's down a little bit more. And that, we set my piece on there. Seems like it might be a little wobbly, but it'll probably hold it just fine. We'll just try it with, test it with this piece of this manual corn sheller that I'm going to powder coat next. And I'll see that'll hold that just fine. I've got some other pieces that are probably a little heavier, but it looks like that'll hold it and it should work just fine. So we'll do some powder coating in the next video. Thanks for being with me while we assemble this nice little Eastwood powder coating stand. Looks like it's going to work just fine. Didn't take too long to get it put together. Thanks for joining me today.